Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. If you have a smelly washing machine, those smells are caused by bacteria. This is becoming a much more frequent problem as people are washing at lower temperatures, so this allows the bacteria to multiply, causing smells. Now we've remade this video with the help from our engineers to ensure that we're giving you the best advice possible to help resolve the problem. Now the problem can be avoided by carrying out a few simple steps that will help both your machine and your washing smell only of the detergent or conditioner that you have chosen. eSpares has a fantastic cleaning product which helps kill bacteria, stops detergent residue from building up and gets rid of any smells. And it's called the eSpares Limescale and Detergent Remover. And it consistently gets great reviews on our website and can be used on both washing machines and dishwashers. To use the cleaner most effectively, dissolve a sachet into a spray bottle with some warm water. This will allow you to spray the cleaner in exactly the areas where it's required. Next, remove any mould or residue from the machine in these three main areas. Firstly, the soap drawer, which as you can see on this machine, has a lot of mould building up on it. This will cause the smells. Put that into a bowl of hot water and give it a good scrub, removing any of the mould with a brush. Next, we'll look at the detergent drawer housing. If I shine a torch up here, you can see that there's a lot of mould and residue there, as well as at the bottom. Now, the mould and residue up there will actually affect the spray jets from working correctly. So grab your spray bottle, give it a thorough spray inside, and using your long handled brush, get rid of any mould or residue inside. Being careful not to spray into your eyes. The next place to take a look at is the door seal. If I pull back the folds of the door seal and just shine the torch, you can see there's a lot of mould and residue in there. Now, if your washing machine door seal is particularly bad or damaged, it's an idea to replace it. Now, you can see me changing the door seal in a separate video. But for this, I'm going to put a lot of the spray cleaner into the folds and give it a good scrub with a scourer. And there's the door seal, nice and clean. Now, some stains won't be able to be removed from a door seal, such as the sun bleaching, which you can see here. And any black marks that you can't remove with your fingernail, they're fine. That's dead bacteria that won't affect your washing machine. And lastly, put your soap drawer back into its housing and empty the remaining cleaner into the machine via the drawer and put it on a hot wash function. Now, some machines have a tub clean function. Be wary of using the cleaner with that, because what the machine will do is fill the tub and drain it almost immediately, thus making the cleaner redundant. Now, a few top tips for stopping the bacteria from building up is to empty the washing as soon as the cycle is finished and leave both the drawer and the door open. This allows air to circulate through the machine and helps prevent bacteria from building up, and leave these open until the machine is dry. Now, the cleaner is available on the eSpares.co.uk website, as well as appliance, accessories and spares for thousands of other makes and models of machine. Thanks for watching.